Okay, this better be in focus this time, else I'm gonna be mad. But whatever. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Anyway, today, well, first of all, this is the second time I'm filming this video because as I was going back to edit the footage, the whole part of me talking was out of focus the whole time because that's just kind of technology, but that's whatever. Rude, disrespectful. Moving on. Today's video. How to style basic clothes, and you just might be like,
what does that mean?
And what it means is, you know, there are always pieces of clothing that you have in your closet that are considered basic, like, you know, your white t-shirt, your hoodie, I don't know, just stuff that pretty much everyone has in your closet, and you're probably just like, well, I have all these basics, but I don't want to be basic. Today we are taking the basic pieces you have in your closet and wearing them in a way that is more fashionable, even though I don't really know what I'm talking about, but let's just get into the video. You'll see what happens. For the first outfit, you probably have loose jeans and you probably have a hoodie because hoodies and loose jeans. Anyway, you know, typically you probably wear your hoodie with like black leggings or shorts or something, and then you wear the jeans with like a tight top because that's like how the world works. You're either supposed to wear a tight shirt with loose bottoms or a loose top and tight pants, I guess. And no, we're not doing that. We're not being basic or traditional. No, we're not doing any of that. So why not wear a big oversized hoodie and wear it with big oversized jeans? Second outfit, you probably have a lot of white shirts or just like turtlenecks in general, and maybe you have some off-white pants. Normally you'd wear the white turtleneck with, I don't know, plaid pants, and then wear the off-white pants with like a patterned shirt. But why not wear white on white? Even though like that's kind of dangerous for many reasons, but for fashion reasons it'll look cute because you're being different because you're wearing the same color on top of the same color. And let's see, another like basic that you probably have in your closet is a black sweatshirt or a black shirt or like any form of black loungewear. And I don't know, if you have pink pants, pink jeans maybe, wear the black sweatshirt with the pink jeans because this is a good way to show off your unique style, because apparently wearing black on pink is a sin. And I don't really know why, I don't know who came up with that rule. But if you want to spice up your style, wear black on pink. Another thing that's really popular right now that you might have is just plaid pants. And obviously to show off your style, you might not want to wear like animal print with plaid pants just because patterns clashing. But to give your plaid pants a little bit more of a twist, wear like a plain colored shirt but with like a wild graphic on it with the plaid pants, because then there's a lot going on in your outfit, but then it's not like you're making people have a seizure if they look at you because you're wearing like every single color of the rainbow and you're also wearing all the patterns of the pattern spectrum. Then a white crop top. That's popular, right? That's been popular since like 2014. Did he say 2014 or 2014? I don't know. Whatever. Not matter. No matter. No importance. Anyway, if you're gonna wear a white crop top, why not be a 1930s movie? And by that, I mean wear black and white. Go all out and wear only black and white. So instead of wearing the white crop top with like pattern or colored pants, wear the white crop top with black pants, and then make every single other thing you're wearing also white or black. And then you're a walking silent film. Bonus points if you don't talk the whole day while you're wearing this outfit, even though people might just be really confused the whole time, but whatever. The next outfit is a plaid skirt, which are also really popular, and somehow people can wear those at school, like the really short ones, and not get screamed at. But then if I wear a skirt that hits my knees, then I still get screamed at. Anyway, wear, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, wear a plaid skirt with like a fuzzy top, because then once again you're not mixing pattern on patterns, but you're mixing like texture, which is like fuzzy shirt on the pattern, which is plaid. I don't know, it just really stands out to me if there's something like fuzzy and also patterned. Feel me? You get it, maybe, maybe not. Another thing, another pair of jeans, because jeans are a daily staple. Even though I hate wearing jeans because they're uncomfortable, but I like the way they look. Make your outfit really, really basic. So, you know, your jeans, white t-shirt, white crop top, black shirt thing, but then take that to a whole new level and add like a wild accessory or like jacket or cardigan or something. Or not even wild, just literally what I was thinking when I wrote the ideas down is just wearing like a floral cardigan or something, because I don't know, that really just steps up your game. It makes you feel like you're either a mom from the 1950s or you're a trendy Urban Outfitters model. And then another thing, you know, instead of just being unoriginal and just wearing only neutral colors like me most of the time, why not wear colors? And by that I mean wear two colors at the same time, but like bold colors. So for example, wear a blue hoodie and like red pants, because you know no one's expecting that. And then you're kind of wearing like opposite colors on your top and on your bottom, even though red and blue are not complementary. Blue and orange are complementary and red and green are complementary. And then, kind of the opposite of the outfit I just said, wear the same color as your top as your pants or skirt, but make the shades different. So like, if you're gonna wear green, wear like light green on the top and dark green on the bottom, and then wear like light blue on the top and dark blue on the bottom, you know? Has the same energy as wearing red on blue, but like totally opposite. Oh, we've come to the final outfit. Finally, we're all losing our minds probably, but you know, if you have a white dress, which I didn't until like a few weeks ago because I needed a white dress for something, then you're probably just like, this white dress is so boring. I don't want to look like a bride. Is that what you're saying? Probably not. That's not how you sound. You probably never ever said that in your entire life. But if you're just bored with your white dress, add a fun coat or jacket or cardigan on top. You know, one that's patterned, one that's cool, one that's edgy. Maybe a leather jacket or a pleather jacket or a faux leather jacket. Anything over that white dress, you know, style game up 10 points. Your XP has been raised. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. What was this? Like a lookbook slash style advice slash stream of consciousness, honestly. Comment down below some style or something you like. Comment down anything, really. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Thumbs up, subscribe.